Hello everyone, and welcome to Mike Uses Megazords. Today's video is issue 43 of the Altaya Megazord build. And we're going to continue on with the top deck of the Pterodactyl with a few more structural pieces and the battery pack for the electronics. Let's get the packaging open, do our parts check, and then we'll dive right in. Okay, so we have 43.1, which is the left-hand tail section. 43.2, which is an internal structure piece for the left-hand side. 43.3, the battery pack. 43.4, the insulating strip. And then the hardware is 1 plus 1 of 1.7 by 6 mil screw, 43.5. 43.6 is 3 plus 1 of 2 by 5 mil bolts, and 43.7 is 2 plus 1 of 2 by 6 mil silver bolts. So we'll get those out of the packets, just confirm that we've got everything there. So the first one, 2 of, the second one, 4 of, and the third one, 3 of. Perfect. So let's go over the page and we'll get started. So the first thing we're going to need to do is bring in the body structure piece from the last issue, which was 42.2, and we're going to pop on the tail section from this issue, 43.1, and that will line up with those two posts there, like so. Snap them into place, like that. Make sure that's nice and secure. Okay. Next section, we're going to attach this to the main body assembly of Pterodactyl. So pretty much as we did in the last issue. So this will slot into place pretty much just one way and will be secured with 3 of the bolts 43.6. So I'll need to hold that wire out of the way for the moment, as that's going to go through this hole in the structure piece, and we're going to need that for the circuit board, which will appear in a later issue. So poke that wire up through the hole and then make sure this is seated properly. Pretty much only one way it can go, so you may need to jiggle it about a little bit. And then once that's in place, just make sure, just hold it down with one hand, and then we're going to grab 3 of these bolts and they're going to go into the back half, back section, the middle section, and at the top there. I'll grab the first one and go into the bottom. Second one will go in the middle. and then finally the third one into the top, like so. Okay, on to the next section, and what we're going to do is take one of the silver machine screws from 43.7, and that will secure the sort of the top edge of the wing to the frame. That's done. Next section is going to be securing the tail side of the body structure part to the bottom of the frame, bottom of the chest piece frame. So that's a 43.5 machine screw into the tail section. So we'll flip it over onto its back, and that's going to be going into this section you can see at the bottom. There we go, so that's not going anywhere. Okay, last section for this page, we're going to take this internal structure piece, 43.2, and that will slot into place at the top of the front of the wing here. And again, there's really only one way this can go in. And then that will get secured with the second of the silver machine screws, 43.7. There we go. So over the page we go, onto the last bit of the assembly for this issue. And what we're going to do is take the insulating strip, which is 43.4, and wrap it around the battery pack of 43.3. We'll just get this out of its anti-static bag and get rid of the bag. There's a little paper backing on the insulation strip, just need to peel that off. And then all we're going to do is wrap that round. So stick it on one side and then just roll the strip around the other. And there we go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is issue 43 of the Altaya Megazord build completed. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. Anything you want to talk about in the video, drop a comment in the box below. And otherwise, we'll see you next time for issue 44 of the Altaya Megazord. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.